Assalamualaikum, class 7th. Chapter is financial arithmetic and the exercise is exercise 7D. In the previous lecture we have done up to question number 5 and today we have to start our question number 6 and we have to do question number 6, 7, 8 and 9. So question number 6 is find the interest on rupees 660 at 4.5% per annum for 3 years and 4 months. We have to find the interest on principal amount 660, rate is 4.5%, time is 3 years and 4 months. So time is not completely in years, we have to convert the time into years. First of all, we have to write the given thing that is given in the question. Principal is equal to rupees 660, rate is given in the question 4.5%. 4.5 means 2 4s are 8 and 8 plus 1 9/2%. Time is given in the question that is 3 years and 4 months. 3 years as it is, we have to convert 4 months into years. So we have to divide it 4 by 12. So 3 plus 4/12 converted into years. Now we have to take the LCM. The LCM is 12. Here is 1 and 1 के टेबल में 12 कहाँ आएगा 12 पर. सो 12 को आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. देन आंसर इज 36 प्लस 12 के टेबल में 12 1 पर आता है और 1 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. देन 4 1 ज़ा 4. देन 36 प्लस 4 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 12 ईयर्स. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द इंटरेस्ट. So I is equals to P multiplied by R and multiplied by T divided by 100. By putting the values, P is equals to 660, R is equals to 9 by 2 and T is equals to 40 by 12 divided by 100. Now we have to do the possible cutting. 2 1s are 2, 2 20s are 40. Then 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Then 4 1s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. And we get 660 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 divided by 100. Now this 0 will be cancelled out with this 0. And on the table of 5, we have to do the possible cutting. 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Then on the table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. And we get rupees 99 by multiplying 33 with 3. So rupees 99 is the simple interest on rupees 660 at 4.5% per annum for 3 years and 4 months. Alright students, now we have to move to our next question, that is question number 7. What will be the interest be on rupees 600 for 3 years, 6 months and 20 days at 6% per annum? So student, principal amount is given in the question that is rupees 600. Rate is also given that is 6%. Time is given in the question that is 3 years, 6 months and 20 days. But we have to convert into completely in years. So 3 years as it is, 6 months, 6 divided by 12 and 20 days. We have to convert days into years. First of all, we have to convert days into months. So 20 multiplied by 1/30 because 1 month is equal to 30 days. Multiply by now 12 months equals to 1 year, so multiply by 1/12. Then this 0 will be cancelled out with this 0 and on the table of 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12. 3 plus 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 1 1, so 1/3 6 are 18 years. Now we have to take the LCM of 2 and 18 and we get 18. Here is 1 and 1 18s are 18, so 18 multiplied by 3 that is equals to 54 plus 2 9s are 18, so 9 1s are 9 plus 18 1s are 18, 1 1s are 1 years. 54 plus 9 plus 1 we get 64/18 years and on the table of 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, we get time is equal to 32/9 years. We have to find the interest. So I is equals to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100, where P is equals to principal amount, R is equals to rate of the interest and T is equals to time. By putting the values, P is equals to 600, rate is 6% and time is equals to 32/9 years divided by 100. On the table of 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Then again 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 00. We get 200 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 32 divided by 100. These 2 0 will be cancelled out with these 2 0, and by multiplying 2 with 2 4 and 4 multiplied by 32 128. So the simple interest is rupees 128 on rupees 600 for 3 years and 6 months and 20 days at 6% per annum. Alright students, now we have to move to our next question, question number 8. What interest to be paid for rupees 850 borrowed for 6 months at 5.5% per annum? Principal is given, that is 850 rupees. Time is given 6 months, and we have to know that 6 divided by 12, that is equals to t is equals to 1/2 years. Rate is given, that is 5.5, 2 5 the 10, 10 plus 1, 11/2%. We have to find the interest. I is equals to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. P is given in the question, that is 850. Rate is 11/2 and time is 1/2 divided by 100. On the table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5 are 10. We get 425 multiplied by 11 divided by 2 and whole divided by 100. 425 multiplied by 11, we get 4675 divided by 2 whole divided by 100. We have to replace the division sign into multiplication, so we have to take the reciprocal of 100, that is 1/100. Then 4675 divided by 2 multiplied by 100, that is 200, and by the division we get rupees 23.375 is the simple interest, and this is our answer. Okay, the last question of this lecture is question number 9. Calculate the amount on rupees 560 for 6 months at 3% per annum. Calculate the amount means we have to find the A, and A is equals to P plus I. So P is given the question, that is 560, but interest is not given. So first of all we have to find the interest, then we have to add principal and interest to get the amount. So principal is given the question, that is 560 rupees. Rate is given 3%. Time is given 6 months. We have to convert months into years. We have to divide it 6 by 12. We get t is equals to 1/2 years. Now we have to find the interest. I is equals to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. P is given in the question, that is 560. R is given 3 and time is given 1/2 divided by 100. On the table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16 and 0 as it is. Now 280 multiplied by 3 divided by 100. 1 0 will be cancelled out with this 1 0, and on the table of 2, 2 5 are 10, 2 14 are 28, and by multiplying 40 multiplied by 3 we get 42 divided by 5, and after the division we get I is equals to rupees 8.4. This is a simple interest, but we have to find the amount. So amount is equals to principal amount plus interest. So rupees 560 plus rupees 8.4, we get amount is equal to rupees 568.4 on rupees 560 for 6 months at 3% per annum. Okay students, I hope you will understand the lecture. Allah Hafiz.